Hello, this is Willa coming to you today with a great job at the Healthy Back Institute. The position is a customer retention agent. It's a full-time position and it is completely remote. You will work from home 100%. The Healthy Back Institute is a fast-growing natural health publishing and consumer products company with the focus on helping people to live without pain. Founded in 2003, it has quickly become one of the web's leading resources for people looking for pain relief. This position will be concentrating on agents working hard to assist customers throughout their wellness journey by supporting them to get fast, safe, and natural pain relief by building positive relationships, listening to concerns, and addressing issues. You will play an important role in driving the growth of the company by increasing revenue and educating customers on their product line. In addition, you will work to increase sales by educating customers on our full suite of complementary products, and you will partner closely to help them achieve their natural pain relief goals. The technical and on-the-job experience required for this position, you need a minimum of 1 year performing inside sales work with proven experience in driving company growth, a minimum of 1 year providing exceptional customer service and or retention-related tasks, a minimum of 1 year working in a completely remote virtual environment from your home, strong organizational and communication skills, highly motivated, data-driven ability to process data and understand basic sales matrix, proficiency in technology to include various CRMs, must have the ability to work a rotating Saturday shift as needed, and must have the ability to work evening shifts as needed, must be able to pass a number of skill tests as part of the interview process, including a typing speed of 30 words per minute. The benefits of working at the Healthy Back Institute is a healthy work-life balance, work remote, virtual work from home position, medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k retirement plan, life and disability insurance, paid vacation, performance-based bonuses, discount on HBI products, an amazing team-centered culture felt at all levels of the company. As far as work authorization, you must be able to work in the United States indefinitely without assistance. They are an equal opportunity employer and they will provide an EEO statement. The position information important to know. This position is hourly, full-time, remote position from the candidate's home office. Compensation is $14 to $15 an hour, plus monthly bonus plan. A background and reference check will be part of your hiring work process. Benefits begin after 90-day introductory period. If you feel that this job is suitable for you or you have the qualifications for this position, please click on the link below this video and apply. And thank you for listening. Have a good day.